Want Google's AI to plan your entire week for you? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it in just 2 minutes. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. That's Google's official AI assistant. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, type this prompt. Plan my week with daily tasks for your goal or focus. Include breaks, priorities, and a short summary for each day. For example, plan my week for productivity, balancing work, gym, and free time. Gemini will instantly create a full 7-day schedule, customized around your needs. If you want to adjust it, just reply with things like, make it lighter on Wednesday, or add more time for content creation. You can also ask it to export the plan to Google Calendar or format it as a to-do list for easy tracking. And that's it. You've just used Google's AIs to plan your entire week in minutes. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI productivity tips.